This is video 10.2. In it, we will be balancing torques. The question: a stick of mass 5 kilograms is leaned against a wall as indicated in the diagram below. We'd like to know, what is the force of the wall on the stick? Step 1 is to pick an axis. You always have to pick an axis whenever you're balancing torques, and you usually want to pick one that's most convenient to the problem at hand. In this case, we'll pick the point of contact between the stick and the ground, and I'll indicate this with the little circle in the diagram below. Step 2 is to draw the other forces. Well, in addition to the force of the wall on the stick, we also have the gravitational force pulling downward on this stick, which acts at a distance L over 2, where L is the length of the stick, from our axis. Next, we'll determine the torques. We'll draw in the angles to make this a bit easier. The gravitational force acts to rotate the stick in a counterclockwise direction. The force is mg, the radius, or the distance from the axis, is L over 2, and the angle between the force and the stick is 30 degrees. The force of the wall on the stick acts to rotate the stick in a clockwise direction, therefore it's negative. We have F sub W to denote the force of the wall on the stick. It acts at a distance L from the axis, and the angle is 60 degrees. Step 4 is to balance the torques. We're in equilibrium, so the net torque, which is equal to the sum of the torques, is 0. We add the torques that we just found, and we can cancel out L, the length of the stick. Continuing step 4, and pulling one of the factors to the other side, we have this relationship, which implies, after dividing both sides by the sine of 60 and plugging in our numbers, that the force is equal to 14 newtons. And that concludes video 10.2.
Check out PhysicsX on the app stores. This revolutionary physics app for smartphones and tablets contains over 100 videos and 500 multiple choice questions designed by education experts. It's been proven to improve scores for intro college physics, AP physics, MCAT physics, and more. Just look for the blue icon.